Then I now invite the alumni speaker to address the congregation.
Congratulations to you all. My name is Nicola Barke, and 11 years ago, I was sat where you're all sitting now, feeling very excited for what life had ahead of me, but also a little sad that my time at the University of West England had already felt like some of my best years. When I graduated, I heard advice ranging from anything is possible to knuckle down and work hard. But I just want to share one message with you all today that I've learned, and that is follow your fire. When I arrived at UE, my parents had a dream for me. They wanted me to become a doctor. So, being the dutiful daughter that I was, I studied Biomedical Sciences, and after graduating, I went and worked in a hospital in Czech Republic. And day one in the operating theatre, I fainted. Day two, we go back again. I fainted. Day three, well, you get the picture. I fainted. And I soon realized that medicine wasn't the career for me. Instead, my degree opened a door with the HSBC graduate program. And I went on to become a global project manager, managing HSBC's digital platforms across 36 different countries, leading a team of over 300 people, and managing budgets of 50 million. But what I didn't share with many people was that my real dream, believe it or not, was fighting. So for over 10 years, I built a dual career. Under my fight name, the Burmese Python, I established myself as a professional fighter. I stand here in front of you today as a professional, undefeated boxer for Frank Warren. Thank you. A two-sport world champion in Taekwondo and Lethwei. The UK's first woman to ever compete in a sport called Lethwei, which is a Burmese martial art that allows punches, kicks, knees, elbows, headbutts, you heard that right, all with no gloves, and a British kickboxing champion. I won't lie, it wasn't easy at all. I had setbacks, failures, losses, an incredible number of injuries, including a broken nose 6 times. But every challenge taught me something new. Fighting made me my best self, physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally. Until last year, when I was diagnosed with a brain tumor. And my whole world changed. Fighting became a risk, and that part of my life started to fade away. And so did my passion die with it too. but where one passion fades, another emerges. And today, my spirit soars playing ice hockey, so watch out. But the message I wanted to leave you with, follow your fire. It's important. It's not a cliche. It's not a nice to have. It's what life's all about. It's so easy to live life pleasing everyone else, especially your loved ones. So don't turn a blind eye to what makes you come alive. Nothing lasts forever. And that's why it's so important that whatever your passion is, you follow it. And I'll just leave you with this one question. If you were to follow your fire right now, what would you do next? Now go do it. Thank you. I'll now invite the conferrer to address the congregation.